Hi all, welcome to SRS ECE Academy. In the last video, I explained about how to convert decimal to binary by using the whiteboard. In this video, let's learn about how to convert decimal to octal. You know that decimal number whose base is 10, octal base is 8. Now, when you are converting decimal to octal number, okay, so now let's take this number 256 whose base is 10. Okay, we need to convert this decimal to octal. Here this is your integer part. Okay, so this one. Okay, how to convert 255 6.575. Okay, let's this 10 will take this. Okay, next here you have to convert 256.75 decimal to octal. Here you have to keep it in mind. You have to this is your you have to divide integer part by 8, and you have to divide fraction part. You have to multiply fraction part by 8. Here integer part is 256, fractional number, that means fractional part is 0.75. Let's convert. How to convert, I will explain you clearly. Here divide integer part repeatedly by 8 and multiply fraction part by 8. Here 256.75. Let's take first integer part. Integer part is 256 by, if you divide 256 divided by 8, okay, the quotient is 32. Quotient is 32. Again you have to divide this quotient. You have to divide this quotient by 8. If you divide by 8 for the 32, the remainder is 0. Now here the quotient is 4. You cannot divide 4 by 8. You cannot divide 4 by 8. Okay, then quotient becomes 0. Okay, then you will get doubts. Okay, like why we can't divide 4 by 8 in this octal number. Okay, the common doubts in your mind is, so the answer is here. Here take this one. Yeah, why can't we divide 4 by 8 again? Here the base is 8. We are converting decimal to octal. Octal base is 8. Here the number is, the quotient is, okay, the last is 4 only, smaller than 8, so you cannot convert. Okay, therefore we need to stop it. Next, division stops when the number becomes smaller than base. Here the number is 4. Okay, the 4 is smaller than base in the sense 8. Next, base is 8. Okay, the 4 is smaller than 8. Next, because division method works on quotient. Division method works on quotient in the sense, see here you are dividing this one 43 divided by 8. Okay, next quotient is 5. You cannot sorry, I was explaining this one. Next, here 4 divided by 8. You cannot divide 4 by 8. So this is for MSP, this is for LSP. You have to take from bottom to top. You have to take bottom to top 400. Here the integer, the decimal number of 256, to if you convert into octal, the octal number is 400. Okay, next let's convert fractional part. Here this is your 0.75. Okay, whose base is 10. Okay, you have to convert this fractional part. To convert fractional part, okay, here you have to multiply by 8. If you multiply by 8, okay, if you multiply by 8, 0.75 into 8 is equal to 6. Okay, that means 6.0. Okay, so take this, I will mention it here. Take this 6. This is your integer part. Okay, this is your decimal part. Fraction becomes 0.00. So you have to stop it. Okay, until it becomes 0, it stop. Otherwise, the same numbers will be repeating by the term. So we need to stop it. I will explain in the next example. Here the 0.75 octal number is zero point 0.6. The octal number of 0.75 is zero point 0.6. Okay. Now combine this both answer. Here the octal number of 256 is 400. Okay. Point is 0.6. Okay. Next. Now let's go to next example. Here the 347.52 whose base is 10, you have to convert this to octal number. Here please keep it in mind, when you are converting decimal to octal, you have to divide the integer part, okay, and you have to multiply by 8. You have to multiply fractional number by 8. You have to multiply fraction number by 8. Here 347 by 8. If you here if you divide 347 divided by 8, okay, here the quotient is 43. The quotient is 43. Remainder is 3. That means see 43 into 8 is 344. 43 into 8 344. Okay. Here 347 minus 344, the remainder is 3. Next, here the quotient is 43. That means in Kannada we call Bagalabda. Remainder we call Shesha. Okay. You divide 43 divided by 8. Okay. 8 4 ja, 8 5 ja 40. Okay. 43 minus 40. The quotient is 5. The remainder is 3. Okay. Here the 5 is less than base 8. Okay. You cannot divide 5 by 8. Okay. So the quotient becomes 0. Okay. See, most people will get confused here. Okay, so how many times you have to divide, okay, like that. So here the 5, for the number 5 is smaller than base. Base is 8. Okay, so you have to stop it. Okay, because division works, okay, based on quotient. Works on based on quotient. Division works based on quotient. Okay, so here this is you have to take like from here top to bottom. 5 3 3. Okay, here the octal number of 347 is equal to 533. Next, let's take fractional part. Fractional part is 0.52. Okay, so multiply by 8. If you multiply by 8, okay, you can use your scientific calculator. Okay, and also 0.52 into 8, you will get 4.16. This is your integer part, this is your fraction part. Okay, again you take this fraction number 0.16 into 8, 1.28. Take this integer part, okay, take 1 and multiply 0.28 into 8, 2.24. Okay, take this integer part, okay, 0.24 into 8 is equal to 1.92. Take this integer 0.1, again multiply 0.92 into 8, 7.36. Take 7. Okay, again multiply 0.36. Okay, uh, into 8, 2.8. How many times you have to multiply? You can ask how many times you have to multiply. Okay, so if you multiply 4 to 6 times, that's enough. Other here you can observe repeating pattern starts. Repeating patterns I will show you clearly in this. Okay, yes, see here, see here 0.52 into 8, 4.16. Integer is 4, fractional part 0.16. Okay, if you keep on multiplying the fraction number, observe here, integer part is 4, 1, 2, 1, 7. Okay, this is your integer part. Here see fraction number is repeating. Here see here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.88, 0.04. Okay, result, see here fractional part, this is your fractional number 4 1 2 1 7 2 7 0 2 4. Again see, result is repeating, again repeating 4 3 6 5. So if you multiply 4 to 6 times, that's enough. The final answer is 533.412172. If you write 4 to 5 days, that's enough. Okay, so I hope you understood how to convert decimal to octal number systems. Okay, in the next video let's learn about how to convert decimal to hexadecimal, sorry, decimal to hexadecimal number. In the next video let's learn about how to convert decimal number to hexadecimal, and I will give two uh, problems you have to solve on your own. Don't google it. Okay, okay, you can use scientific calculator. Okay, so do it manually. Okay, do it manually. I will give 6 point some and point. Okay, convert decimal to octal. Okay, convert and reply your answer in the comment section. Thank you.